Authentic BBQ Chicken. Ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, bone in, skin on. 1 cup BBQ sauce, your favorite brand or homemade. 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Instructions: preheat grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat, about 375° Celsius to 400° Celsius. Prepare chicken. Rinse the chicken breasts and pat them dry. Rub olive oil over each breast, then season generously with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and chili powder. Grill chicken. Place the chicken breasts skin side down on the grill. Grill for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the skin is crispy and has grill marks. Apply BBQ sauce, flip the chicken and brush a generous amount of BBQ sauce on the top side. Continue grilling for another 5 to 7 minutes. Repeat, flip the chicken again and brush the other side with BBQ sauce. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, about another 5 to 7 minutes. Keep flipping and basting with BBQ sauce as needed. Rest. Remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving. Fried rice ingredients: 3 cups cooked rice, preferably day-old. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 eggs, beaten 1 small onion, diced 1 cup frozen peas and carrots mix, thawed 3 green onions, sliced 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, optional, salt and pepper to taste instructions. Prepare pan. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Cook eggs. Add the beaten eggs and scramble until fully cooked. Remove from the pan and set aside. Sauté vegetables. In the same pan, add the remaining tablespoon of oil. Add the diced onion and cook until translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the peas and carrots mix and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add rice. Add the cooked rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with a spatula. Stir fry for about 3 to 5 minutes until the rice is heated through. Combine ingredients. Add the scrambled eggs back to the pan, along with the sliced green onions. Season. Pour the soy sauce and oyster sauce over the rice mixture. Stir well to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve. Remove from heat and serve immediately. Sautéed vegetables. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 red bell pepper, sliced 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced 1 zucchini, sliced 1 yellow squash, sliced 1 red onion, sliced 2 cloves garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, optional. Instructions: heat oil. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sauté garlic. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add vegetables. Add the sliced bell peppers, zucchini, yellow squash, and red onion. Cook, stirring frequently for about 5-7 minutes until the vegetables are tender but still crisp. Season. Season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. If using balsamic vinegar, drizzle it over the vegetables and stir to combine. Serve, remove from heat, and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious BBQ chicken with fried rice and sautéed vegetables.